What's going on, guys? We're gonna be working on the Thunderbird. Gonna be removing the plastidip because it sucks and it don't work.
Fonzie lied to us.
And it's bad. So we're gonna see if this actually works. This is the last resort on the take it off. We're gonna see if he lies to us again if it doesn't take it off.
And at that point, you gotta get a new car if it don't work.
Yeah, gotta get a whole new car with a good roof. So we're gonna take that off, and then we're gonna wash the car real quick because it ain't been washed in about 3 months. And then we're gonna wrap the roof. Ah! Alright, gotta be masking off some of this black trim so I don't ruin it with the dip revolver. Apparently it ruins black trim. Because anything plastidip product ruins stuff, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
This tape must be 5,000 years old. So now that we got our amazing tape job right here, I don't really give a crap about none of this. We're gonna try some of this out. Which is she on sprayer mode though? I might just disintegrate my pants if I ain't careful. I'm just gonna try not to get it everywhere here.
What flavor of vape juice is that?
Vape juice. But yeah, let's coat this whole thing and let it wreck. So we got the second coat on. After the first coat, that's what I got right there with just my finger scratching it. So we've instantly got further than any other method we've tried. So that means when I plug this pressure washer up, it should just blast it right off, to be honest.
Blast it right onto the focus.
We're gonna let that dry for about 2 or 3 more minutes, and we're gonna get pressure washing. Let's get removing. Let's see what it does. Actually, first let's test it. I think that's good enough to go. Pop that off somewhere. Let's see what it does. You know, I was thinking, I thought it had a lot more pressure on it the last time we used it.
Well, do you see half the water's coming out the side of the tip?
Let's put it on wreckage mode, because not exactly the pressure that I thought we'd have on this thing, you know?
Do we need to go get loops that can carve into the pavement?
Just might. Because this is needing some work.
It's probably because all your pressure is getting lost from the water blasting out the side.
Yeah. It's coming off pretty good. Yeah, it's coming off fairly well.
Yeah, pretty good.
So after about 2 hours of pressure washing that we ain't gonna film, we've got to this point to where, I mean, it feels smooth. I literally think that the roof has been stained from the plastidip being on there for over 2 years. Still a couple little spots here. Like this is where bad clear coat was before I put the plastidip on there, and they're like stained black. But as long as it's smooth enough to put the wrappage on, that's all I care about. Just gotta make sure it's all dry first, and we can start laying stuff on. So here's our nice carbon fiber wrap. We've got the roof prepped, got it clean, used some soapy water on it. And hopefully it'll lay down pretty good. Get some tension on it. Okay? Widen your arms wide. Okay. This is wide open. Slowly put it down. And now keep pulling tension off. Because we want to get it as flat as possible so that we like reduce the work that we do with the squeegee. So we've started wrapping. As you can tell, we got that looking nice. A couple of areas to get out, but we're using the heat gun to heat it up and make it fit the roof here. Really, all you gotta do is kind of heat it up, pull it up, and then flatten it out, move all the air out, and stuff starts looking good. Got this little front area to complete, and we can cut it, get all this excess off, use it somewhere else. But yeah, looking pretty good. So here's what we got as a final product, guys. I think it looks pretty good. Couple spots back here probably need to be fixed up. I got a couple spots I want to go back, kind of fix up on the edges here, just a little bit, kind of creased, but that's gonna be pulled out pretty quick. But other than that, I think that finish is looking a lot better than the old plastidip. Got a little carbon fiber right there. But yeah. So there's the wrap, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed watching us put that on, because it was chaos getting it on here. A little weird first time working with it. But I think it turned out pretty good, and I'd like to use it in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next video.